Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the culinary enthusiasts of wooden crafts in modern living by showing you more than 80 different wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The culinary enthusiasts of wooden crafts in modern living spaces represent a fascinating intersection of artistry, functionality, and a deep appreciation for craftsmanship. As the culinary world continues to evolve, with a growing emphasis on home cooking and gourmet experiences, the role of wooden crafts in the kitchen and dining areas has become increasingly significant. This trend is not merely about aesthetics, it reflects a broader movement towards sustainable living, a connection to nature, and a desire to create meaningful experiences through food preparation and presentation. At the heart of this phenomenon is the innate warmth and beauty of wood as a material. Wooden utensils, cutting boards, serving platters, and kitchen furniture not only serve essential functions but also add an element of charm and authenticity to culinary spaces. The tactile nature of wood engages the senses, making the cooking and dining experience more enjoyable. The grain patterns, textures, and colors of different woods provide a visual feast that enhances the overall atmosphere of the kitchen and dining area. This connection to the natural world fosters a sense of tranquility and pleasure, transforming the act of cooking into a more mindful and enjoyable process. Crafting wooden kitchen tools and utensils is an art form that has been practiced for centuries. The resurgence of interest in handmade wooden crafts aligns with a growing recognition of the value of artisanal skills. Culinary enthusiasts are increasingly drawn to the idea of using tools that are not only functional but also reflect a high level of craftsmanship and care. Handcrafted wooden spoons, spatulas, and cutting boards carry a unique character that mass-produced items often lack. Each piece tells a story of its creation, embodying the artisan's dedication and skill. This personal touch resonates with culinary enthusiasts who appreciate the art behind their tools, creating a deeper connection to the cooking process. One of the most beloved wooden crafts among culinary enthusiasts is the cutting board. A quality wooden cutting board serves as a centerpiece in any kitchen, offering both practicality and beauty. The choice of wood, whether it's maple, walnut, or cherry, can significantly impact both the appearance and functionality of the board. Hardwoods are preferred for their durability and resistance to knife marks, making them ideal for food preparation. Beyond their practical uses, wooden cutting boards possess an aesthetic appeal that enhances the kitchen's overall design. Artisans often incorporate intricate carvings or personal engravings, allowing culinary enthusiasts to personalize their boards, adding a layer of meaning that transforms a simple kitchen tool into a cherished item. The act of cooking is inherently sensory, and wooden utensils heighten this experience. The feel of a wooden spoon in hand, the sound it makes while stirring a pot, and the visual appeal of a beautifully crafted spatula all contribute to an immersive cooking experience. Culinary enthusiasts often seek out wooden tools that not only function well but also bring joy and inspiration to their culinary endeavors. Handmade wooden utensils, often crafted with ergonomic designs, cater to the needs of home cooks, making food preparation more enjoyable and intuitive. The warmth of the wood contrasts with the coldness of metal or plastic, adding an element of comfort to the kitchen. Incorporating wooden crafts into modern living spaces also reflects a shift towards sustainability. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, there is a growing preference for materials that are renewable and sustainable. Wood, when sourced responsibly, aligns perfectly with this ethos. Culinary enthusiasts are increasingly choosing wooden tools that are handcrafted from sustainably sourced timber or reclaimed wood. This not only reduces the environmental impact but also supports local artisans and small businesses. By investing in high-quality wooden crafts, culinary enthusiasts embrace a lifestyle that values sustainability and craftsmanship over mass production. The dining experience is equally enhanced by the incorporation of wooden crafts. Serving platters, bowls, and utensils made from wood bring a rustic charm to the table, elevating the presentation of meals. A beautifully crafted wooden serving board can transform a simple cheese platter into an artistic display, inviting guests to engage with the food in a more meaningful way. The natural beauty of wood complements a variety of culinary styles, from traditional to contemporary, making it a versatile choice for any dining setting. Additionally, wooden serving items, often designed with unique shapes and finishes, can become conversation starters, adding an element of intrigue to gatherings. In modern living spaces, the kitchen and dining areas are often designed to be open and inviting. This trend encourages interaction and connection among family and friends, making the role of wooden crafts even more significant. A handcrafted wooden dining table, with its rich texture and warmth, serves as a gathering place for meals, conversations, and shared experiences. The act of sharing food around a wooden table fosters a sense of community and connection, reinforcing the importance of family and friendships in our lives. Culinary enthusiasts often take pride in their dining spaces, curating collections of wooden serving pieces that reflect their personal style and enhance the overall dining experience. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Culinary enthusiasts are also increasingly interested in the presentation of their food. The art of plating has gained prominence in recent years, with chefs and home cooks alike striving to create visually appealing dishes. Wooden serving boards and platters provide an excellent canvas for showcasing culinary creations. The natural textures of wood serve to highlight the freshness and vibrancy of ingredients, creating a stunning visual contrast. This emphasis on presentation encourages culinary enthusiasts to take pride in their cooking, transforming mealtime into an experience that is both visually and gastronomically satisfying. As technology continues to advance, many culinary enthusiasts are also exploring the integration of wooden crafts with modern gadgets and appliances. For instance, wooden stands for tablets or phones can be crafted to provide a stylish and functional solution for following recipes while cooking. By blending traditional craftsmanship with contemporary needs, artisans create practical solutions that enhance the cooking experience. This fusion of old and new not only respects the heritage of wooden crafts, but also ensures their relevance in today's fast-paced world. Moreover, culinary enthusiasts often seek out opportunities to learn about the craft of woodworking themselves. Workshops and classes focused on creating wooden kitchen tools provide a hands-on approach to understanding the art and skill involved in woodworking. These experiences not only allow participants to create their own personalized items, but also foster a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship behind wooden tools. Engaging in woodworking can be a therapeutic outlet, providing a sense of accomplishment as individuals see their creations come to life. This connection to the craft adds another layer of meaning to the tools used in the kitchen, transforming them from mere objects into beloved extensions of the culinary experience. In addition to functional items, artistic wooden crafts can also serve as decor within culinary spaces. Wooden wall art or sculptures can enhance the ambience of a kitchen or dining area, adding character and a sense of warmth. These pieces often celebrate the beauty of wood, showcasing its natural grain and form. By incorporating artistic wooden elements, culinary enthusiasts can create a cohesive design that reflects their personal style while also paying homage to the materials used in their culinary endeavors. The culinary world thrives on creativity and innovation, and wooden crafts provide a perfect medium for expressing these qualities. As culinary enthusiasts experiment with new recipes and techniques, they often seek out unique wooden tools that inspire their creativity. From handcrafted rolling pins to custom spice racks, wooden crafts can encourage experimentation and playfulness in the kitchen. The act of using a beautifully crafted tool can elevate the cooking experience, inviting individuals to explore their culinary passions with enthusiasm and joy. Furthermore, the relationship between food and culture finds a meaningful expression through wooden crafts. Different cultures have their own traditions surrounding food preparation and presentation, often reflected in the tools and items used. Culinary enthusiasts may seek out wooden crafts that honor these traditions, whether it's a traditional Japanese sushi rolling mat or a handcrafted Italian pasta board. This connection to cultural heritage enriches the culinary experience, allowing individuals to appreciate the diverse influences that shape our relationship with food. As the home cooking movement continues to gain momentum, the role of wooden crafts in modern living spaces becomes more pronounced. The desire for authenticity, sustainability, and craftsmanship drives culinary enthusiasts to seek out unique wooden items that enhance their cooking and dining experiences. This trend not only reflects a shift in consumer preferences, but also underscores the importance of meaningful connections to the spaces we inhabit and the tools we use. In the culinary enthusiasts of wooden crafts in modern living spaces represent a celebration of artistry, functionality, and sustainability. The integration of wooden tools and decor into kitchens and dining areas enhances the overall culinary experience, fostering mindfulness, creativity, and connection to nature. As individuals continue to embrace the beauty and practicality of wood, they contribute to a movement that values craftsmanship and meaningful living. Through the lens of culinary enthusiasm, wooden crafts become more than mere objects. They are integral to creating spaces that nourish the body, mind, and spirit, enriching our lives and our relationships with food and each other. This enduring appreciation for wooden crafts in culinary spaces speaks to a deeper desire for authenticity and connection in a rapidly changing world, reminding us of the timeless joy found in the art of cooking and the beauty of handcrafted items. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for simple scrap wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.